Well, when I'm going to the grocery store, ultimately, I may not know what I want to get, but I always keep in mind freshness, fresh ingredients. Freshness is not only about, you know, how pretty a fruit looks. Sometimes you actually have to, you know, get in there and look at it and see what the food is about. So let's go inside and I'll show you how to do some of that. These two seem the ripest so far. If I leave it out on the counter today, by tomorrow they should be ready. But that means we can't use it for our guacamole today. So like this just seems too bruised. Like if I was to, and it's soft, look, it's really, really soft. And so when I cut this open, it's gonna look rotten on the inside because the outside already looks rotten. So I'm looking for something bright. I'm looking for like a brighter one. That isn't soft. None of these actually look good, so I can't even give you like a real example. But you want something closer to this. Like I'm pressing it, it's not as soft. It has less bruises. Like it doesn't look, I don't want to call it ugly fruit because I don't mind ugly fruit. I don't care about whether fruit is ugly or nice. But you're looking for like smoothness. You don't want something that's like super dented like this. Or like something that looks right on the outside already. You don't want that because you'll be very disappointed, trust me. It's like very yellow. I mean, like you want it to be yellow because that's sweeter, but at this point, when it's yellow and soft, it's already way too sweet. So this one seems like I could probably fuck with it. But if you really want to test it, you go in the middle, you find the middle leaves, and you pull it out. And if it comes out real easy, then you know it's ready. But like if it's like really tough and you're having a hard time, then just skip it because it's not right. Or get it and, you know, leave it on top of your fridge, on top of your counter, or whatever, and see how long it takes. So this would be a perfect one. And I'm gonna take this. So I have 3 plantains here. This one, I feel like it's a green plantain initially that's ripening up, being ripe, so it's not super ripe. You want unless you're going for like, you know, something
starchy.
Yeah, like a tostones or something like that, like a a smashed plantain to fry. You don't really want this. This is definitely sweeter than this one, but for me, when I go shopping, I look for plantains that look like ugly fruit or like that are more beat up. So this one, like even this one, like I'm like, it's not. Well, some people stay away from this. I'm like, I need it to be darker because the darker the outside is, the sweeter it is. And ultimately, you want us both. I like sweet plantains, so I usually go for these. This is fine too. I can manipulate this and make it sweeter by adding like honey or something to it after I fry it. But ultimately, you want this.
Ay, Dios mío, gracias a Dios, ¿verdad que lo ve usted? Ajá. Vamos por el otro ahora.
me? You gotta turn that camera off and hold these bags. What are you doing?